Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook, an old dude production. Today, I'm going to try something never tried before. We're going to convert let me show you here, spice cake mix is 90 cents. My favorite thing to snack on through the years has been take peanut butter and put it on a plate and mix it up with syrup, just some light bread, and for a meal or for a snack or when you were starving in the evening or whatever. And Dr. Beals sent me this syrup. I made a video about doing that very same thing. It was great. That's a really good syrup. His candy maple syrup. It rules. So I was thinking, wonder if you could do that in a cake. So you could have a peanut butter cane and maple syrup cake. Thinking outside the box. Well, in my case, a box. Thinking inside the cake box mix. Well, let's get this recipe and let's get it started and see how she turns out. I've got the peanut butter, but it's not what you think. I've got powdered peanut butter. I use it in my, believe it or not, I used it in my catfish bake. Catfish dough with peanut butter in it. All kinds of panfish will hit it, carp will hit it, but catfish really like it. So that's even the reason I have it. It's high in protein. It's basically just ground up peanuts into a fine powder. So I'm going to mix it in, and how much, I don't know. We'll have to taste it and see as we go. So let's get to the video. Let's get it mixing. I've got my cake pan buttered and unfloured, ready for it. So this mix calls for 3 eggs, vegetable oil, water, and of course the mix. So we're going to do the 3 eggs. Thank goodness eggs are going down finally in price. I guess the chickens went off of strike or something. So I put my 3 eggs in. I'm gonna go ahead and mix those up. I know you can't see it. I'm blocking it here. There you go. I'm just gonna mix them up to a really good mix. Alright. How much liquid does it call for? It calls for 1 cup of water and half a cup of oil. So we're gonna go a 1/4 cup of Dr. Beals. After I get this mixed, I may add a little bit more to taste. So just a 1/4 cup, or maybe a little bit more than a 1/4 cup. It's a really good syrup. Got some veggie oil hid out down here. We'll make up that other 1/4 cup to get the half. Yeah, that's good enough. Let's get this in. And it calls for 1 cup of water. And we're going to do 1 cup of leche, the grade A whole milk. If I had buttermilk, and if I had time to put some vinegar in this milk to get it to buttermilk, but today, milk. Hey, what's not better than than milk and peanut butter and jelly sandwiches or peanut butter and syrup sandwiches. Those all go together. It's already smelling good, and the peanut butter's not in it yet. Now, how much peanut butter we're gonna put? Heck, I don't know. This smells so good. Let me grab a spoon here. I have 1/4 of a cup here. So let's go with a 1/4 cup to start out. We can always adjust. That's not packed in or anything, that's just measured in. Bacon, don't let the people tell you, oh, it's like rocket science. You gotta have it exactly right. No, you don't. So if it's a little bit moist or if it's a little bit wet, it's still gonna taste good. I'm gonna mix the peanut butter in it. I can tell you it smells really good. Let's put the cake mix in. And you can catch these cake mixes on sale for about $1. That's a good deal. I'll mix it in for a minute with the whisk and see how she goes. It may start to get to be too thick, and I've got a spatula over here. Yeah, it's okay. Boy, it smells really good. It smells like peanut butter and syrup. I looked online, I didn't see a peanut butter and syrup cake. I've seen lots of peanut butter cakes. Alright. Yeah, don't scream at me. I know you're not supposed to do this, but I gotta taste it. If I follow her out of the chair, you knew I shouldn't have done it. Well, that's really good. Yummy good. Lordy, lordy. All right. And that's about it. Now remember the amounts, because I don't. I'm always baking to taste and cooking to taste and what the flavor I'm looking for. And I want to put a little bit of cinnamon, just a touch. The cake mix has cinnamon in it, but we're going to add to it just a little bit. And I've got my loaf pan here. The instructions are, let's see, cupcakes, $3.75 uncoated, $3.50 for non-stick. Don't say anything about no loaf pan. So I put mine on 325. My oven cooks hot. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Lightly greased 9x13 baking bowl. We don't have a 9x13. We've got a loaf pan. So we'll just bake it at a lower temperature so it doesn't burn. That's the way the old dude rules when it comes to doing this stuff. Tap to get the air bubbles out. And she's going to the oven. All right, she's in the oven. Wish me luck. I put it on 25 minutes. It's gonna take more than that, I know. But it's called baking by the seat of your britches. Take a toothpick and insert it after 25 minutes and see if it's wet in the center. If it seems dry, tap it on the top, see what it sounds like. Learn to bake like that. See you back here in a little bit. There she is in all of her glory. Dr. Bill's cane and maple peanut butter loaf. It fell. I went to check it one time and I kind of jiggled it to see if it was set in the center, and oop, it wasn't, and it deflated a little bit. So I know that's hard to see. It's probably a 1/4 inch. It's not going to change the flavor. Once you eat it, you'll never know. So let's get this out of this pan and get it cooling. It smells wonderful. That's going to be so good. Dr. Bill's cane and maple peanut butter loaf. You ever heard of that before? Well, you have now. It's pretty. It's a pretty thing. Now, if I wanted to gild the lily, I'd take some real peanut butter, mix it with some powdered sugar and softened butter and make a glaze out of it. But I think this is going to do just fine the way it is. It's cooled down a little bit. Let's see if I can cut into it. Get just a I'm anxious to taste of it. Oh, ain't that pretty? She's still warm. Yeah, that's so inviting. You could throw a little butter in on there. It's cooled a little bit more since I've cut it. Let's taste this. My mouth is really saying, hey dude, get me a bite now. It's holding together really good. Tearing me off a little bite here. Bon appetit. It's got the syrup flavor and the peanut butter flavor to it. Goodness. Also the spice. Very good. I might have to go in for another bite. Well, I appreciate y'all being here on the Old Dude's Cooking Adventures. You know, these things just fling up on me, and I'm like, okay, let's try this. Very few failures. Some not as good as the others, but zero failures. Because even if you're failing, it's teaching you something. I appreciate y'all being here on my channel. Sometimes it ain't easy to get in here to do this, but hopefully some of the other folks that watch my channel, they're handicapped and disabled, and hopefully that will give them just a little bit more incentive to keep on keeping on, as I always say. So see y'all next time. Keep on keeping on.